What's up, guys? Your boy Dr. Damage here, and today we have some new Cars 3 Demolition Derby games that we're gonna unbox and review. We have the Crazy 8 Crasher RV, which is very rare. I got him at Target. Pile Up, I got this from Walmart. So first I'm gonna open up RV. Here's the back, Mr. Drippy, RV, Patty, Lightning McQueen, Broadside, and Fair Games. So, without further ado, let's get this open with this little thing on the back. And okay, this could take a while. Just after thinking this would take a while, he slipped right out. That was good. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. He has that little thing so he can... Oh, he was it. And here's the side. I'll compare him with these two RVs that I have. Except this one is all green, and this one is green and white. So here we got mud there. And wait, is this right here? Wait, is this his power box? Yeah, that's his power box. And here's the front and the back.